think one of the things it is what's very important with regard to separation and classification is you use that quite a lot in your process flow sheet. And the main aim of that is to actually either upgrade your ore or your concentrate or your material, or get rid of gangue, or recoup liquids or water, or recoup fines, or etc. They're all there to actually help you for the next step. So it doesn't matter that they're all basically a pre-step for the next step that you're going to do. So if you're going to, for example, leach, and you have a thickener before the leaching, that it's there to either then make the slime go into the leaching second more solids into that, from maybe 40 to 50% or something like that, or recoup some of the water because you need water to go back, etc. There's a purpose for it. And if there's no purpose for it, don't do it, because it just makes things complicated. So these things can become, they're not complicated pieces of equipment, but they can be very much maintenance intensive or problematic if they're not rightly designed, or they're overburdened, or you're trying to put more fluid, etc. than you should, or the material property changes. So if you don't need it in your process plant design, don't use it. But unfortunately, you always will need some or other screen, some or other water separator, some or other filter or thickener, some or other dense medium separation if it's needed, or classification like a cyclone, things like that, and I don't even, flotation circuits, some people call, but it's actually a beneficiation process. So some of these things can be called beneficiation equipment, but they basically will beneficiate while they separate as well. And it means you can increase the grade, increase the quality, and reduce maybe the mass and the volume of it. So think about why it's used and what it's used for. And just don't put it in just because it's there. Previously, in the old days, they put in a lot of things, sometimes because they just feel it be needed there. But you actually can make things these can be bottlenecks at some stages in your process if it's not really needed. Just look at the overall mass and water balance and everything till and then make a decision why you want to do it.